we are here. We're going to take a tour of a 3-bedroom apartment here in Moncton. This is about 5 to 10 minutes away from the city center. And when we say city center, it's about the Walmart area here in Moncton. And this is a pretty nice place. It was built less than 5 years ago. This is brand new, and therefore the reason for the cost. But for the cost, I will give you the information as we get in. Come on. So this apartment was built in 2022. It's a 3-bedroom apartment. Come in. And as we enter, this is the storage. It's a pretty nice, decent space to store winter coats, shoes, sleepers and all. And this was unfurnished, meaning the person renting the place purchased everything except for a few appliances in the kitchen, which I will advise you. So the couch is brand new. It was bought when the renters came here. The television was provided for by the renters, and this is the area for the living room. And I guess now is the time to tell you, this place costs $1,700 to rent every month. So the contract is for a year. It's an advance deposit, so meaning $1,700 to have the advance and $1,700 to have the deposit to take in this this place. And you might think, why so expensive? Because one, this is not an apartment, this is an actual house, and therefore the reason for the cost. The second one, it is brand new. It was built in 2022, and the renters are the brand new or the very first ones to rent this place. And with $1,700, it is not furnished even. So, and it's an open concept actually. So this is the dining area. This was bought from Marketplace, and this cost about between $300 and $400, which is not bad. This is a really nice dining table, and it's real wood. So the renters advised me that this was bought from, this came from Quebec, as a matter of fact. Yeah, so this is again a 3-bedroom apartment. So this is the bedroom for the little one. But the little one didn't want to take this bed, so they turned it into a playroom. And yeah, she's got a lot of loads of toys here. And this is the cabinet for the things of the little one. She has got, or my friend who rents this place has got 2 kids. So those are 2 daughters, and one is about less than 5 years old, and the other one is a teenager. This is the second bedroom for the teenager. So the teenager and the little one, actually they opted to share a bedroom here. And this is the view for this bedroom, which is pretty neat. As you can see, these houses are just built right now. The lands or the backyards are not done yet, so you can imagine how new this place is. That's the beauty here in Moncton. The city just expands and expands, and new houses are being built. And this is the storage room for the tiny little girl who's got the bedroom here. And that's, wow, ooh la la, that is absolutely organized. Mamma mia. I wish my cabinet was like this, but nah, you don't want to see my cabinet. This is now the toilet for the house. This house again is a 3-bedroom plus 1 toilet. And what I really like about this spot here is it is a double sink. So it's a his and a her, and I can tell which one is hers and which one is his. You've got the yep, that thing there, and of course where everything is being cleaned. Yep. It's actually a good size toilet that they have here. This is the space for the washer and the dryer, and it's pretty neat. Guys, again, the washer and the dryer are common appliance here in Canada because we have got more than 6 months of winter, and therefore the dryer is absolutely necessary. These were provided for by the landlord, so the renters didn't have to buy such, and you can see they're brand new. And this is the entire space for all the detergents and the washing soaps that they use. So this is the storage. This is extra storage that they have here. This is pretty amazing actually. So because the thing is, each and every room have got their own storage areas, and they have got extra storage here. Now we go to the main bedroom, which is this, and the view is this for the main bedroom. So these are single detached houses as well, and these houses are brand new as well. These were built in 2022, and it's a pretty big bed here. This could be a king size bed, or actually it's a queen size bed. So this is a combination of marketplace and brand new purchases. This is marketplace, and the bed is brand new, and they have got a study place here specific for working, and of course the storage for the clothing. Now I can only imagine if the teen girl has got her entire cabinet all prepped up and absolutely organized. I can imagine this as to be absolutely organized too. My cabinet will never be like this. There's no way on earth. This is the kitchen. As I mentioned earlier, it's an open concept, so you can look out and see everybody in the living room and in the dining room. In the kitchen area though, the landlord provided the refrigerator, the cooker, as well as the washer for the dishes, and everything else. Oh, the microwave oven actually was provided for by the landlord, and everything else were bought by the renter. So that means all of this, all the kitchen utensils, of course, this, and everything else that you will see here are all here. They have got good size cabinetry for various things. So, and they have got tonloads of tumblers. These guys love tumblers. Alright, and here are some more cabinetry. There you go. And you know what's amazing, and I find it astonishing, is that it's not common to find mineral water in houses here, but these guys do use mineral water. Why? I do not know. I will have to ask. Okay, tip and trick to everyone who would use this, because for some reason they have children or toddlers or babies, and this will be necessary. And the best way to do it is to buy this jug, which will cost about $10, and then you refill from Canadian Tire, which will cost you $2.99, and this will save you tonloads of money, because if you will buy pre-filled water jug from Shoppers Mart or Walmart or any other shop, it will cost you $6. That's exactly what I'm doing, and I just learned now that no, I can save more by paying $2.99 at Canadian Tire. We are now headed to the deck, of course. It's very common to have houses here with deck and front porch. The deck is normally used during the summer season, which we are in right now. It's about 27 degrees, give or take. Probably about 27, 26 degrees, which is absolutely perfect. This were bought, this entire set, this including the umbrella, were bought from Marketplace, and this is astonishing. This girl, my friend, is a real pro in terms of buying things from Marketplace, this entire set only cost her $150. If you buy this brand new, this will cost you more than $600, guys. So you have to be absolutely active on Marketplace. And this is the view. And it's not bad. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty, actually. You can have a grill here or a barbecue or down there. It's a beautiful thing to do during summer season. Just to recap, the house is unfurnished. So the renter had to provide everything or had to buy everything for themselves. The couch is brand new. It was from Costco, which cost $3,000. The beds were brand new. Everything else, actually, yeah, the bed and the couch were brand new, and this is a combination of Marketplace and brand new purchases. So all in all, to furnish this entire house would cost you, if you decide to rent the same kind of place, about 10,000 Canadian dollars. So that's a combination. If you guys want to save a little bit more money, of course, you would opt to buy mostly from Marketplace.